Good afternoon.
Hi,
My name is Vivek
myself
Shende.
Dishalvani.
I have
I have
currently
completed my
joined Unified
internship with
Mentor
Unified
Limited
Mentor
Private
as a
Limited
full stack
Internship
web
program.
development
I
intern.
have
It was
currently
a
registered
great
for
learning
3 months
experience.
program
I
for a full
got to
stack
work on
development
the
intern.
projects like
Uh,
weather app, which uses
I have
API
currently completed
integration, or
many
student
projects,
teacher
hard and
booking
easy,
appointments,
as they have
which
allotted
also
to us.
uses Firebase and Cloud
Mentors are
Firestore.
nice.
I had
They have regular updates.
such a great
Also, they
time
have a
working on
portal
this
access for
project, which
many more contents
makes my
such
knowledge
as
or my
HTML,
theoretical knowledge
JavaScript,
worked into the
various
practical ones.
languages.
It improved
Yes,
my
platform is
skills in
nice,
HTML,
and
CSS,
also yes, you
JavaScript,
can
and
enroll to
also
it.
I
Thank you.
happened to learn new skills like
Good
React,
afternoon.
Node,
My name is
and
Vivek Shende.
Firebase as well.
I have currently
I had such a
joined
great time.
Unified
Overall, the
Mentor Limited
mentors
Private
in
Limited
Unified Mentor
Internship
are so
program.
supportive.
I
Any
have currently
doubts can be
registered for
solved if I
3 months
message them or
program
call
for
them
a
in
full stack
any time,
development intern.
which was a great thing
Uh,
which makes every task
I have currently
easier.
completed many
Thank
projects,
you,
hard and easy,
Unified Mentor, for
as they have
giving me
allotted to
this
us.
opportunity, and I
Mentors
recommend to
are
all the
nice.
students to
They
gain
have
the
regular
work
updates. Also, they
experience
have
and
portal
the
access for
real life experience
many more
with this.
contents
Thank you.
such as